Good afternoon. In this session on HRM, today we will discuss on job analysis. After this session, you will be knowing the meaning of job analysis, components of job analysis, and uses of job analysis. This session is aimed at your basic cognitive level, that is recall and understand. Job analysis refers to the process of getting detailed information about jobs. Socrates argued that society needed to recognize three things. First, there are individual differences in aptitudes for work, meaning that individuals differ in their abilities. Second, unique aptitude requirements exist for different occupations. Third, to achieve high quality performance, society must attempt to place people in occupations that best suit their aptitudes. In other words, for society or an organization to succeed, it must have detailed information about the requirements of job through job analysis, and it must ensure that a match exists between the job requirements and individual aptitudes. The information with the help of job analysis can be ascertained at two different aspects. The first is job description. It is a list of tasks, duties, and responsibilities, in short known as TDRs, that a job entails. TDRs are observable actions. For example, a clerical job requires the job holder to use a desktop. If you were to observe someone in that position for a day, you would certainly see some work on the desktop. When a manager attempts to evaluate the job performance, it is at most important to have detailed information about the work performed in that particular job. This makes it possible to determine how well an individual is meeting each job requirement. And the second aspect is job specification. It is a list of knowledge, skills, abilities, and other characteristics that an individual must perform to have or to perform a job, in short known as KSAO. Knowledge refers to factual or procedural information that is necessary for successfully performing a task. A skill is an individual's level of proficiency at performing a particular task. Ability refers to a more general enduring capability that an individual possesses. Finally, other characteristics might be personality traits such as one's achievement motivation or persistence. Thus, KSAOs are characteristics about people that are not directly observable. They are observable only when individuals are carrying out their TDRs, that is, tasks, duties, and responsibilities of the job. If someone applied for the clerical job discussed, you could not simply look at the individual to determine whether he or she possessed the computing skills. However, if you were to observe that the individual doing something on the desktop, you would assess the level of typing skills. When a manager is attempting to fill a position, it is important to have accurate information about the characteristics a successful job holder must have. This requires focusing on the KSAOs of each job applicant. The third element of this session, that is uses of job analysis. Job analysis has tremendous use in the whole functioning of HR department. It is useful for at work redesigning tasks, for human resource planning, which requires accurate information about the levels of skill required in various jobs to ensure that individuals are available in that organization to meet the human resource needs of the organization. Selection, that is identifying the most qualified applicants for employment, training, performance appraisal, career planning, and job evaluation. Thank you.